Hey, what's smacking foodies? So I'm gonna do something kind of new today. I'm just gonna drive around and just see any taco spots that I just can just happen upon. And then I'm just gonna jump out and then go grab me some eat. I just got off work, so yeah, let's try this out. You know, kind of do something a little new. You know, it's just something real, you know, quick and straight to the point. So continue to chill, vibe, and most importantly, as I continue to make you hungry, always remember, eat good and stay hungry. Hey, what's smacking foodies? So I'm here today for Taco Tuesday. I'm just combing through the area and I just wanted to just find a taco truck. Just got off work, I'm just kind of hungry. So I've never been here. This is called Perez Truck. They do tacos and tortas and more. And on the back of their truck it says, "We break for tortas." I'm going to try to make you guys hungry. So get ready on this great episode of Taco Tuesday. What's smacking foodies? So I just got my food. I'm at Perez Truck. Okay, they're a taco truck. They also do tortas and more. Okay, today I wanted to give me some lengua tacos, and then also I wanted to give me some chicken flautas. Everything looks good. Everything looks banging, and I'm really excited. What they did with let's try, because I mean it is Taco Tuesday, so let's hit the tacos first. The lengua is like chunky. This is like huge cuts of tongue, man. Really big. I'm gonna throw some lime on there. No, that's popping. Like the language, like real tender. Like it's like real tender. Really don't need too much of anything else. Like the cilantro, the onions, like it's good just with the lime. Oh yeah, that's good. Then not only that, hey, you know, you got the serrano peppers. They also give you like grilled onions. That's that grilled onion taste. Oh man. Usually spots I go to they don't do a grilled onion. So this is actually really good. Man. I'm gonna throw some more of the limon. And yeah, like I said, like this is a new thing for Taco Tuesday. It's just run and gun. Like I just run and shoot. So I go drive around and then just find some spot I've never been to. Yeah, this is fire. I should have got more tacos. Damn. Throw some onion on here. Woo! And they have verde salsa. They got a hot salsa that's orange, and they got a red one, was gonna be like, I guess, mild too. Oh man, the grilled onions, that's where it's at. I'm gonna try this salsa though. And you know, it's Taco Tuesday. We get a little bit messy here, you know. Yo, this sauce is busting. It like kind of has like a fermented vibe to it. It's just good. And it's spicy. It's not real spicy. Not over the top spicy, but it's real good. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some more sauce on there. Put some grilled onions on this. Yeah, that's good. See, that's how you're supposed to do a Taco Tuesday. This is how you're supposed to do a Taco Tuesday. You know, keep it messy. Keep it messy, keep it a little grimy. But man, look, this lengua. Look at those are thick cuts of tongue. And it's good too. It's really, really good, really tasty. And the salsa has also like a nice amount of tomato juice in there. It's very tasty. Very, very tasty. The sauce is good. So yeah, come to Perez Truck. Get you their tacos. I'm gonna say I would just go ahead and just get the lengua. You might hear the word tongue and be like, oh, I don't know about. No, like it's good. That's the best lengua tacos I've had. Of course, you know. Yeah, I like that. Those are good tacos, man. Then I can't forget about the Fresca. I actually haven't had this kind before. So this should be actually interesting. It looks good. Oh, hell yeah. It's not like too carbonated. It's just right. Yeah, I like that. So that was the lengua tacos. They got molitas, tortas, they got all kinds of stuff. But I wanted to get some flautas, and of course it's Taco Tuesday, so I had to get some tacos. Hey, listen, Perez Taco Truck got it going on. They got 2 locations. I'm at the Southwest 59th location off of Penn Avenue. Oh, that's whew. Okay. So I'm gonna try the red salsa now. That red sauce is not bad. Got some of the jalapeno seeds in there. So got some spice to it. It's not as kicky as the orange one, but it's still pretty popping. Look at this, Lord. Listen. And they put cotija cheese or crumbly cheese. They give you avocado, some more veggies, you know, some carrots. Oh yeah. That's good. I wish the chicken was seasoned a little bit more, but everything they give you on here, it all has a good taste to it. That's not bad of a sauce. Like I said, I wish this chicken was seasoned a little bit more, but the chicken's real tender. It's good. I'm really liking the red salsa. It's very, very tomatoey, but you can taste cilantro, you can taste the pepper. Look, the flounders are messy. You're gonna get messy when you eat the flounders. You're gonna get messy. I like the flounders. And make sure you come kind of early because they do run, like she ran out of like the beef. So, you know, if you're a person that likes beef, if you like asada, you know, make sure you come a little early in the day. But to be honest, that lengua is, like, that's the best lengua tacos I've ever had so far. I mean, if you don't mind getting a little bit experimental, try the lengua. Yeah, that's good. That's real good. So, I think they give you like 4 flounders. Flounders is awesome. Like real tasty. All in all, this was a damn that's good. I'm glad I stopped here. You can't miss it. It's the Perez Truck. Right behind, y'all see it right behind me. Yeah, you can't miss it. It's the Perez Truck over here off of Southwest 59th in Penn. They also have another location, which I will put that in the description. But look, as y'all can see, I tore it up. I mean, there's still vegetables and stuff, so I'm actually gonna take this home, take the rest of this home. My tacos are gone though. See, tacos are gone. But I like that. That's real tasty, real good. So that concludes another episode of Taco Tuesday. Listen, my job is to make you hungry, okay? We're doing something new. We're doing Taco Tuesday drive-bys now. I think that's what I'm gonna call it, Taco Tuesday drive-by. Like, man, that was a great experience. I liked it. Perez Truck, y'all did a really great job. Listen, to all of my fellow foodies, listen, continue to chill, continue to vibe. If you want to support, you can cash at me at Damn That's Good, INT, like international. Hopefully I made you hungry. Hopefully if you live in the Oklahoma area, you're visiting the Oklahoma area, you will want to come to Perez Truck. They got tortas, they got tacos, they got molitas, they even got hamburgers. Hamburgers look tasty. So listen, until the next episode,